Niyati. She got placed in a company. Just share some experience.
Hello everyone, I am Niyati. I joined PySpiders in the month of February. I would like to thank Mr. Keshav sir and Alex sir who handled Python and SQL for me. Here in PySpiders, they teach everything from the basics. You'll be able to understand the concepts really clearly. And here they conduct grooming boot camps, mocks, which help you in clearing all the interviews, and it will be really easy. And I would also like to thank the HR team for giving me an opportunity.
Okay, Niyati, how did the mock helps in clearing an interview?
Mock, like they do teach us the concept, but whenever they conduct the mock, we go through the concept and we get to know how actual interviews take place. Like they ask questions, how questions will be asked in interview. So it helps really well in the actual interview process.
Okay, nice. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.